Hi guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my 1C review builder review. 1C meaning one click review builder. So here is the members area of 1C review builder. So I'll show you around in this review and as I'll show you around the members area, right? And explain exactamundo what it's all about. Right, here we have the written review, and as per usual you'll find the link to my written review right below in the description box. So here, as I am scrolling through, you see the all features, benefits of the product, the funnel details, and one thing I want to point out to you, important one, because it is going live tomorrow on the 10th of on the 10th of December at 9:50 a.m. US Central Time, so that's 10 to 11, right? New York time, if I am not mistaken, something like that. So yeah, about the prices, guys, one thing is important. The sooner you get it, I'll show you my bonuses as well, pretty crazy. I went quite bonkers. It's because I really like the quality of Mark Bishop's products. He really truly over delivers, okay? And to the sales page you will get from my written review, if you click get the best price or buy now, you'll be redirected to my affiliate link. And of course, if you buy it from me, you will get my bonuses as well. They'll be waiting for you in your Warrior Plus account. So right, I'll finish my point. I know I was talking about the prices, but yeah, I also want to share my admiration for Mark Bishop's clear, very easy to follow, newbie friendly style. Okay, it's just beautiful how he delivers his training courses. And this is a training course that will show you how to install this rebrandable Chrome extension that you will need to connect to your OpenAI API key. Let me make that clear right off the bat so there is no confusion. Yes, you will need to connect this Chrome extension. Oh, where was it? Let me just open up Google Chrome now, and this is the extension, okay? So before I was able to use it, okay, I had to, of course, install it. Mark shows you the whole process. I'm not going to explain to you how to install a Google Chrome. You go to Chrome extensions, okay, on your Chrome browser. And you have to connect the OpenAI API key. This is extremely, guys, affordable, like to create one review. And, you know, basically this Chrome extension, which is rebrandable. So by all means, you can resell it, rebrand it, and Mark shows you exactly, how to go through this whole process of rebranding. And on top of that, he will even give you the sales copy for your sales letter, right, if you wanted to resell it. Or he gives you the copy for the landing page and the thank you page, just in case you chose to give it away as a lead magnet, a phenomenal lead magnet, okay? So there are, various ways as to how you can go about making money with this rebrandable software, Chrome extension, right? So yes, OpenAI API key, even that is shown to you in the training course, how to get your OpenAI API key. And again, it's a fraction of a penny to create one review. And this Chrome extension will create, so basically, let me grab the URL to this sales page and show you quickly how it works. Okay, so this is the sales page I want a review of, and it creates more, description, bullets, SM content, hashtags, emails, okay, your promotional material, right? So I click on that, you see this extension again, let me pull it up here, and all I need to do now is basically click on scrape and generate. But before I do that, I can select output style. So I can have it written in a professional reviewer tone or casual buyer tone or even YouTube voiceover script. If you wanted to, that's amazing. You just grab that script and paste it into your AI video maker, and voila, you've got it ready already. Okay, so here is where you connect your API key. But that's done already. Okay, let's go back. What have I done? I didn't want that, sorry. So yes, let's keep the professional reviewer tone. So scrape and generate. So it's gonna do the job now. And then from here, we just copy Markdown. And this way we can take it into a Google Doc. Let me show you how that's gonna work. And also you need to enable the Markdown paste. So I think we need to go to, paste from Markdown. But not that. Okay, one sec. Let's see if it's ready already. There you go. So we have it. It's still generating something. Yeah, it's complete, ready, fantastic. Okay, the promotional material, the review, and much more beyond that. So you can use it for your own promotional campaigns. But that would be a waste of this amazing product. You want to rebrand it and you want to resell it, or at least use it as a lead magnet, okay? Because who wouldn't want a free product like that? And they would just happily jump on your list, join your list. So copy Markdown from here. And again, let me select this option. Which one was it? Remind me, guys. Paste from Markdown. And there you go, voila. So we have it already. So you see it is nicely formatted. So overview, pros, sort of short and sweet, but all you need for your promotional campaigns, for your email. Of course, you can take it over to ChatGPT and ask it to extend it if you want. But you know, sometimes those short and sweet, punchy to the point, even emails are the best, okay? The lengthy ones, I find that people have less and less time and patience to read long emails. I might be wrong, okay? But yeah, this is something I've noticed, that when I send sweet and short, punchy emails, I get more, the open-through rate is higher, and so is the click-through rate when it comes to my own affiliate campaigns, okay? Email campaigns. So yeah. Alright guys, so let me show you the members area quickly. I've already shown you how the Chrome extension works. So of course you have to install it, but okay, it's gonna be, I've got it here. So it's in my files. It's this one, and you see there will be a bunch of things that, so if you want to, from here, you would need to install it onto your Google Chrome as an extension, okay, if you, from here. But if you wanted to rebrand it, there a couple of important things. You need to go to manifest.json and change a few things up. Mark shows you how to do that. And also when it comes to the images, you can change the images, but you cannot change the name of them or the size of them. But again, Mark leads you through the whole process beautifully. And yeah, when it comes to this manifest.json, there will be the name of a couple of things that you need to change. Okay, I don't want to expose too much or reveal everything, because this is Mark, the vendor's job at the end of the day. Okay, so if you go through the training course, you will be explained beautifully. But of course, you can change the name of it and all of that. So here we are inside of the members area of 1C Review Builder. And you know, here you will have all of the upsells as well. By the way, the whole funnel is listed on my written review. And of course, I didn't finish my point about the pricing, right? The pricing strategy. The sooner you get it, the better, guys. The starting pricing point will be $17 for the front end, but it will go all the way up to, I believe, $22 on the last day of the launch. So it will, I believe it's a 5-day launch, and each day the price will increase by $1. Now, after the launch is over, it will jump even further up to $27. So, you know, you can save yourself $10 if you buy it on the first day of the launch, which is tomorrow, the 10th of December. And there will be a few amazing upsells. Now, you have all of the information in my written review, my bonuses as well. Guys, go for the bonus. I'm not even gonna spend too much time talking about my bonuses, but I show you how to create a funnel using Systemy.io. I give you access to the fast cash with PLR 3-day launch plan, then how to create a free Google site, okay, because Mark shows you how to do it with Google Doc. I believe a Google site would look more professional for either your sales page or your landing page. Of course, you can use Systeme.io, which is free to start with as well. Very generous later on as well as you start paying, as you decide to upgrade. Then another bonus is about maximizing profits with PLR, right? Strategies for success. And then I give you access to my custom GPT that will allow you to read about it and the checklist on how to actually use this GPT. I have recently created this GPT, programmed it and all of that. So this one will repurpose your PLR, create affiliate promos, and all kinds of promos like video scripts, blog posts, social media content, all of that. So, hey ho, happy days. Christmas came early. So yeah, if you pick up this product via my link, you will get access to all of the bonuses as well. Right, now let me quickly show you the content of this product, okay, the members area. So, you will have the upsells right here. This escape plan IS is something I purchased myself, made a lot of money with. You may want to look up my review on this product, escape plan. Because it's just amazing. But let's focus on this launch. So 1C review builder, let's click through and I'll show you what videos you will have. So introduction video, then you click here to download the Chrome extension zip file, then you will have to extract all, and you know how it works. If you don't, Mark shows you, okay? He will show you here how to rebrand your PLR Chrome extension in this video, 3 minutes video, next video, around 8 minutes long, just under how to install and use the Chrome extension. Here you have the copy to the sales page, the landing page, and the download page, guys, to sell this product. Okay, you do want to really rebrand it. You don't have to, but slap your brand on it, okay, your logo on it. Make it unique, change up the sales copy if you wish so, okay? So why not? But now listen. This sales page is just amazing. So you'll have the likes of this pretty much, okay, for reselling this product as well. So one of the reasons that Mark Bishop's products sell so well is his sales copy. I mean, the products are amazing, but it's the marketing, okay, that does the job. The marketing done correctly, that's responsible for loads of sales, right? You can have the best product in the world, but if you don't know how to market it, you're not gonna make many sales. This is just a reality. Anyhow, here you have Google Doc video instructions on how to, So how to use these, the sales copy, the landing page copy, the thank you page, what goes where and all of that. And he shows you how to do it with, again, Google Doc. You can have your sales page on a Google Doc. Not really the landing page, because you wouldn't be able to, there's no integration with your autoresponder possible with a Google Doc. Okay, that's why I give you this, these bonuses, all to do with creating your funnel, and even, you can, by all means, create your landing page using a free Google site. Why not? Okay. Right, anyhow, finishing off here. So the last video is about, there's a bunch of bonuses as well, your license package for the front end, your resale rights and personal use zip, a bunch of bonuses, very cool bonuses as well, PDFs. And here is like image instructions for rebranding the images, so for how to change them up, basically. Okay, guys, so that's that. That was my 1C review builder review. If that's for you, you can pick it up via the link below my review, via my written review in the description box, okay? And as I said, all of my bonuses will be yours. And again, the sooner you pick it up, the more money you save. Simples. Right, guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Ciao!